Slow down your breath, extend your life. Secrets of yogic breathing. Breathing is the most fundamental process of life, yet it is often overlooked. Ancient yogis understood that the way we breathe influences our physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. Modern science is now catching up, confirming that slowing down the breath can reduce stress, enhance longevity, and improve overall health. The science behind breath and longevity. Breathing is directly linked to the autonomic nervous system, influencing heart rate, blood pressure, and stress level. Studies have shown that animals with slower respiratory rates, such as tortoises and whales, tend to live longer. The principle is simple. The slower and deeper we breathe, the less oxidative stress our cells experience, leading to increased longevity. Slow, deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces the production of stress hormones like cortisol. By controlling the breath, we can regulate our nervous system, lower inflammation, and support overall well-being. Yogic breathing techniques for a longer life. Diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing. This foundational technique involves breathing deeply into the abdomen rather than the chest. It enhances oxygen exchange, lowers heart rate, and reduces stress. How to practice. Sit or lie in a comfortable position. Place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. Inhale deeply through the nose, allowing your belly to rise. Exhale slowly through the nose, feeling the belly fall. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. This practice balances the left and right hemispheres of the brain, calms the mind, and improves lung function. How to practice. Sit comfortably with a straight spine. Use the right thumb to close the right nostril, and inhale deeply through the left nostril. Close the left nostril with the right ring finger, and exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril, then switch nostrils again to exhale through the left. Continue for 5 to 10 minutes. Brahmari, humming bee breath. This technique reduces anxiety, lowers blood pressure, and induces a deep sense of calm. How to practice. Sit in a quiet place with eyes closed. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale while making a humming sound, like a bee. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. Box breathing, 4-part breath. Used by Navy SEALs and yogis alike, this technique enhances focus and resilience. How to practice. Inhale through the nose for a count of 4. Hold the breath for a count of 4. Exhale through the nose for a count of 4. Hold the breath out for a count of 4. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. Integrating yogic breathing into daily life. Practicing these techniques regularly can significantly impact your well-being. Start with just a few minutes a day, and gradually increase your practice. Incorporating mindful breathing into activities like walking, working, or meditating can amplify the benefit. Slowing down your breath is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health and extend your life. The wisdom of yogic breathing has stood the test of time. Embrace it, and experience the transformation for yourself.